What is up, guys? Welcome to this video, this vlog. I'm in Bryan Head Hotel right now, and tomorrow, because it's actually not right now, we are going to be going on a crazy hike through the water. Yeah, bro. But right now, I'm just gonna hit the gym, and we'll just see where everything kicks off from there. Alright guys, we're in the gym. If you couldn't tell, I was actually like literally just swimming before I started recording. Look, you can like see out the window, there's like a hot tub, and then over there, there's the pool. But yeah, bro, this is the gym. You got this over here. I don't really know. But yeah, bro, I'm sunburned. I was boating today. Look at that, bro. I'm freaking sunburned. Alright guys, low-key, we're just gonna try and do 30 reps of the 20s. 30 reps on each arm. And yeah, that should be good. And we'll do this leg press, calf extension right here, and max that out. We'll just see what happens. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm just trying to find a good place to set the camera. Like, where am I supposed to freaking put it, bro? Oh my goodness, bro. I swear. Oh, my form wasn't good, but like, bro, that was tiring. That was a good one. 30 on each arm with 20. May not seem a lot. You guys are probably like watching this, you're probably stronger than me, since I'm kind of like a twig. But, whew, that was a good one, bro. All right, now it's time for the leg press, bro. Whoever's doing this had it on 295. It's crazy. Calves and leg press is not my super, like, I'm not good at it is what I'm trying to say. But we're gonna try our hardest. Also, quick note, I am so sorry for my freaking camera quality. Look at that, can you see that? It's because I dropped it, freaking cracked the camera on the front. So I'm sorry about that, bro, but.
Tralaleritos dicen tra-la-la. Los tralaleritos dicen tra-la.
Alright guys, but anyways, let's put it up at 130. That sounds good. See if I can do that, bro. I don't even think I can do that to start. Oh. Alright, bro. Going in. Oh yeah, I got that one, bro. Alright, bro. I'm just trying to max as fast as possible. So I'm gonna go to 205. That's probably my max, but we're just gonna see. 205. Jeez, bro. Oh my goodness, I cannot get it. I was going max force. I'll try again, bro. Jeez. Holy freak. I cannot get 205. Bro, I'm so cooked. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go down to 175. If I can't get this, I don't know what will. I swear, bro, I got 205 today. I'm freaking cooked. Alright, bro. Full send. Woo. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I can't get it, bro. I swear, is the machine broken?
Oh, hell no.
Alright guys, well, I went down to 145 and then my phone stopped recording because my storage was full on my phone. So, I got 145. So, after a long day of like doing leg stuff, I feel like that's pretty good. For like end of day, you know, you just like finish doing stuff. I think that's good for me. But anyways, we're just gonna go back to the room and just like, you know, shower, chill, get ready for the hike tomorrow. But first, I've been wanting to see like what's the highest dumbbell I can do 1 rep on. So I'm gonna see that. All right, guys, let's see. Should I jump straight to 30? Okay, guys, 30. That might be my max, bro. Look at that. My veins, bro. Whew. Holy frick. 35. I don't know if I can do this one. I know guys that can freaking do like the 50s and like the 100s. They grind, bro. Here goes. Nah, bro. Oh, 30's my max, chat. Holy. Alright, guys. I know I said I was gonna go back to the ring, but I totally forgot, bro. We need to do some stretches.
I need to not pick up my phone. I'll go straight to.
Alright, guys. Well, that was a good workout, bro. Like, I just took a cold shower. I feel so good. Bro, the sunburns on my face, they're bad, bro. It looks like I'm blushing. The hike is gonna be awesome tomorrow. I'm sorry if it's gonna be, it might be like a bunch of jumbled up footage. I don't really know, cause it's gonna be hard to film, you know. So just be prepared for that. Like, I might not be talking to the camera that much. But we'll just see what happens. And alright, guys, we are a good bit into our hike. Look what I just found, bro. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Bro, this is insane. Holy. Bro, let's see where this goes. Yo, look at that, bro. Nah, I'm good. I'm getting my own GoPro footage. Look at this, bro. Oh my. Look at that log, bro.
I wish I did my hair.
Yeah, bro.
I forgot my helmet gel.
Oh.
This is where it like actually walks in from.
Yeah. Yo. Bro, look at this. It's almost like we're in a cave right now. Oh my goodness. Yo, waterfall. Look at that, bro. Yo. Hey. Yo. Leo. Sick, bro. Alright, we're going in, guys. Oh my goodness. Ah! Holy. Go, 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 go. Oh my goodness. Bro, I'm under it right now. Yo! Hold up, hold up. Oh, sick, bro. Oh. Alright, now we gotta go up these stairs, bro. Bricks, bro. Oh. Whoa, it's opening up, bro. Yo. Bro, look at that, bro. Or we're gonna climb it. We're gonna climb it, bro. We're gonna climb up here, right here. I'm going.
Nah, bro.
No. Oh.
Hey, is this tough?
Oh my goodness, bro. Yo, what is this? This is sick. Oh. Hey.
It's like you can't even see me. But that's all.
Yo. Chill. Oh.
One more, no.
Oh.
Oh, and
This is so
guys,
sketch, bro.
get out the photo, gang. It's a...
No. Hey, W photo. Oh.
Yo! What's up? Yo, God, you look sick, bro!
Yay, let's go, bro.
That's because this is supposed to be my run!
Yeah.
Alright, guys, for 2 seconds.
I'm gonna say skibbity toilet. Skibbity toilet. Oh, okay. That's a slot thing. We just lost it. I mean, we left it. We're in just like this baby spot. Fucking. The slots? Slots? Yeah. Skibbity toilet. Alright, I'm gonna run. Oh my goodness. Woo. Woo. Oh yeah. like this massive rock in the middle of this place. I don't know, but I'm gonna go this way. See, bro. Oh shoot. Yo, just opens up. That's chill. Oh my goodness, look at this, bro. Oh, looks like it gets deep. Woo. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh. Yo, I don't know. Huh. Oh. I know there's a certain point where we have to stop. Alright guys, look, we have entered another SWAT canyon. This is insane. Oh shit, I just got walked through my eye, bro. Oh my. Okay. Very slippery. Oh yeah. Perfect, bro. It's getting narrow. Holy. Oh, this is so nice. Oh. Whew. It's like raining dust. Oh, heck no. Alright guys, the shirt and the glasses are coming off because we're going to be going through this waterfall right here. Let's do it. Oh my. Oh. Oh. Yo. I'm under it. I'm in like this cave. This is insane, bro. I think I scratched my back pretty bad. But dude, yo. Oh, we're gonna go into here right here. Woo. It's so cold. It's so cool. Yo, look at this, bro. Look at this cave everywhere. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's go, bro. Alright, gang. It's time we head out again. Gibbity dog, yes, yes. Gibbity dog, yes, yes. Gibbity dog. Guys, I think I just found John Pork, bro. I'm not even lying. I'm not trolling. I'm not playing. No cap, bro. If you look down this track, you will see John Pork. Just look at that, guys. Isn't that crazy? I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it's crazy, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, guys. And guys, make sure to remember, guys, that you guys like and subscribe, guys. If you want to see more John Pork and Skibbity Toilet, make sure to... Hey. Yo! What the? I'm doing that, bro. I'm doing it. Oh, so you do go off the drop. Alright, guys. Everyone has done it. I need to do this, bro. I'm scared it's gonna be slippery. Yeah. Wait, like this?